My name is Frank Mücklich. I'm a professor for material science and engineering at Saarlandes University. The specialty of my institute is that we work on characterization of the microstructure in advanced materials, and we characterize the microstructure as well in the micrometer scale, as well as in the nanometer scale, and even in the atomic scale. And this gives us a very complete insight into the microstructure, and it allows us to find relations to properties at one side and to the processing on the other side. The interesting thing with FaFIL project is that we have a chance to understand what's going on during 3D printing, because we built the material and the microstructure and the component at the same time. So our interest is to see how to bring the best possible microstructure and the best possible property at the right place in the component. In classical materials, the goal is to have completely homogeneous properties everywhere in the material. In 3D printing, we can do the next step. We can bring the best possible microstructure in the right place. By doing so, we can improve the performance of a material and the performance of a component by also reducing, for instance, the weight of the component or reducing the dimension of that. This is a very advanced approach.